frame. The phone is lightweight at just 158 grams. The phone comes with USB Type-C charging port but misses out on a 3.5mm headphone jack. For security, we get a side-mounted fingerprint scanner on board which is really snappy. You get a 6.55-inch AMOLED display on the smartphone. The panel supports a maximum refresh rate of 90Hz, which is great for gaming. The screen supports HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision, which is another important highlight for the panel. According to the brand, the display provides accurate color contrast and vivid picture quality. Supporting this display is a dual speaker setup on the smartphone, which is fairly loud. You get a triple main camera setup on the Mi 11 Lite and 5G. The primary sensor is a 64-megapixel shooter that can shoot 4K video at 30 FPS and 1080p video at 30, 60 and 120 FPS. Then there's an ultra-wide 8-megapixel camera, and finally there's a 5-megapixel tele-macro lens. The front camera is a 20-megapixel shooter that supports HDR and can shoot 1080p video at 30 and 60 FPS. This smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G chipset with Adreno 642L GPU. This chipset can clock processing speeds up to 3.2 GHz and is supported with liquid cooling technology. This 5G smartphone by Mi comes with 4250 mAh battery. You get a 33-watt fast charger in the box that charges the phone at a rapid pace.